In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily sign out your Facebook account of all the devices. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app, then go to menu. Tap at that gear to open up Settings and Privacy. Tap right there to head over to Meta Account Center. And that's where we need to tap at Password and Security. You will be taken to this page where you can easily find where you are logged in. And on the next step, just select your Facebook account. That will show you all your login devices. However, currently I'm logged just into one account, so I can't show you how to log out from multiple devices on my Facebook. I'm just gonna show you how to do that on my Instagram account, because on the Facebook account it will look like the same. So if you got multiple devices here, all you have to do is just tap at Select Devices to log out. Then you can select all by tapping right here, or you can select some particular devices from that list. After that, to sign out from all the devices in one click, just tap at that button. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.